How to unbox and set up the HP OfficeJet Pro 9120, 9120E, 9130, and 9130E all-in-one printer series. Open the box and remove the included setup guide and other documentation. Remove the ink cartridge package and the power cord. Set the box on its side and pull the plastic carry handle to remove the printer from the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from the printer. Then remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the protective tape from the side and front of the printer. Remove the shield from the control panel screen. Lift the scanner lid to remove the protective shield from the scanner. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into an outlet. Note: HP recommends plugging the power cord directly into a wall outlet. The printer then powers on. Select your language and then select Confirm. Select your country or region. For helpful tips and guidance in setting up the printer, the Quick Start Guide includes details for the printer setup website. On a computer or mobile device, you can go to the URL included or scan the QR code to get started. Like this video, the printer setup site is designed to walk you through the printer setup steps. Simply click Start Setup. From here, the setup site walks you through the steps to power on the printer, load paper, install ink, complete an alignment, and download the printer software. After each step is complete, select Next to move on to the next step. To load paper, open the input tray, separate the guides, and place a fresh stack of HP printing paper into the tray. Then adjust the guides so that they are against the edge of the paper. On the printer control panel, select OK. To install ink, open the ink access door and then lift the scanner bed. The ink carriage moves into position. Open the ink packaging and remove the cartridges. Note: remove any protective tape or covering from the ink cartridges if there is any present. Insert each ink cartridge directly into its corresponding color slot. Close the scanner bed and the ink access door. Once the printer registers that ink cartridges are loaded, select OK. To complete printer alignment, open the paper output tray. Select Align on the printer control panel. An alignment page prints. Note: the 9120 series require a scanning page to complete printhead alignment. The 9130 series do not require this and feature automatic printhead alignment. For the 9120 series, open the scanner lid and place the paper face down on the scanner glass. Then, close the scanner lid and select Scan on the printer control panel. Once the scan completes, select OK. Now that the printer is set up, it is time to download the printer software. If you are using the printer setup site, select Install HP Smart and you are brought to the App Store to download the free HP Smart app. If you are not using the printer setup site, simply search for HP Smart in your App Store to find it. Select the option to install and open the app. Read through and follow any prompts to install the app. When you reach the Setup or Sign In screen, select Set up a new printer to connect and install the printer software. HP Smart searches for available printers. When you see your printer, select it and then select Continue. When prompted, select Continue to connect the printer to your wireless network. When prompted to confirm proximity, select Allow on the printer control panel to continue with the setup. Once the printer is connected to Wi-Fi, select Continue. On the Connected Printing Services screen, read through and select Accept All to continue. If your printer is an E-Series model, you can sign up for HP Plus to access advanced printing features. To continue without signing up, select Do Not Activate HP Plus. This video will continue with activating HP Plus. Select Continue, then select Activate HP Plus. Depending on your country or region, you can also sign up for the ink delivery service Instant Ink, which automatically delivers ink to your door. To continue without signing up, select Do Not Enable Ink Delivery. This video will continue with signing up for Instant Ink. Select Next. Select your preferred plan, enter your shipping and billing information, and then select Continue. On the Confirm Ink and Paper are installed screen, select Continue Setup. On the Print from Other Devices screen, you can add your printer to your other devices by selecting Send Link. To continue without connecting other devices, select Skip Sending Link. You are then brought to the HP Smart Home screen and are now ready to print. To do this, select the Print Documents or Print Photos tile and select the item you want to print. Adjust any of the print settings in the preview window and select the print option. Your photo or document then prints. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.